1. 2025 Rivian R1S Quad Max 060 MPH 2.6x. Meet the quickest SUV MotorTrend has ever tested. For now, the 2025 Rivian R1S Quad a 4-motor monster SUV packing 1,025 horsepower. That's up from the 835 horsepower the original 4-motor R1S came with, and, predictably, boosts the Rivian into the performance stratosphere, netting a 2.6-second 060 mph time. The first quad-motor Rivian we ever tested did the same deed in 3.1 seconds, a figure also beaten by the revised 1425 Rivian R1S Tri Motor version 2.9 seconds, found higher on this list. 2. 2025 Hyundai Ioniq 5 N0260 mph 2.8 seconds. In recent years, we've written the same headline over and over, quickest SUV we've ever tested. That's because the title has shifted so many times as electric SUVs proliferate and improve. The Hyundai Ioniq 5N, the high-performance version of the very agreeable Ioniq 5 electric SUV, is almost the latest to earn the crown. With a 2.8-second rip to 60 miles per hour, the Hyundai held onto it for a few short months, though, as there's one more SUV on this list that's quicker. 3. 2025 Rivian R1S Tri Max 060 mph 2.9s. It should be of no surprise that the 850 HP Tri-Motor Rivian R1S lives near the top of this list. It has more power than the original R1S Quad model, having just been added to the lineup for 2025 as part of an R1-wide overhaul that sees improved power across the board, from the base dual-motor versions up to the quads. Fitting, then, that the new Tri-Motor slides in under the 3-second mark to 60 miles per hour. 4. 2024 Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT Coupe 060 mph 2.9s. Consider the Urus versus Cayenne Turbo GT tie-broken. This is yet another SUV to hold the title of quickest SUV MotorTrend has ever tested in the last year or two. And the newer 2024 Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT Coupe gets to the mile-a-minute mark in only 2.9 seconds. That was a record here at Mount, which held for a short while until the next SUV on our list came along. 5. 2023 Lamborghini Urus Performante 060 mph 3.0 seconds. The Lamborghini Urus is a genuine exotic SUV, with all the panache and power that makes it worthy of the raging bull on its hood. Its twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 produces a likely underrated 657 horsepower and 627 pounds-ft of torque, which allowed the Urus to charge to 60 miles per hour in 3.0 seconds when we took it to the track for testing. Tying the 2022 Porsche Cayenne Turbo G